everyone, let's learn some grammar. Here's today's key sentence. It's very stylish. What's more, it's very safe. Let's break this down. Today's skill is expressing additional reasons. We use this grammar to express two reasons why we think someone should or shouldn't do something. Here we have a picture of a car. There are two reasons for buying this car. Number one, it's stylish. Number two, it's safe. So we can say, it's stylish. What's more, it's safe. It's common to use this grammar when giving recommendations. To do this, first, say your opinion. Then, say your first reason. After that, say what's more, then say your second reason. For example, I think you should buy the car. It's stylish. What's more, it's safe. When you want to sound more formal or more polite, you can use the following expressions. Furthermore, moreover, in addition, or additionally. These are all very common in business English, and they can be used interchangeably. When you want to sound more casual, you can use the following expressions. Also, what's more, on top of that. These are all very common in spoken English, and they can be used interchangeably. Let's have a look at the structure. So, we have our first sentence here. It is very stylish. Then we have our key phrase, what's more or furthermore, moreover. Then we have our second sentence, it is very safe. So this becomes, it is very stylish. What's more, it is very safe. Let's look at some examples. Let's fire Mr. Tanaka. He's always late. Furthermore, his reports have lots of mistakes in them. I don't want to go to that restaurant. It's too far. What's more, their food is terrible. I don't think this is a good idea. It's very expensive. In addition, it'll take a long time. I recommend going to Australia. The beaches are amazing. Additionally, the people are very friendly. I think we should buy this one. It's fast. Also, it's on sale today. Let's choose this apartment. It's closer to the station. Moreover, the rent is cheaper. Thank you very much for watching today's class. If you would like to practice the grammar, please leave an example sentence in the comments below. Also, if you found today's lesson helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Bye.